Cool evenings shouldn't cut gatherings short. In this guide to the best patio heaters, we break down fuel types, real heat output, and how infrared versus convection affects comfort. You'll learn about safety must-haves like tip-over shutoff and Canadian Standards Association certification, weather resistance, and ideal clearance for covered spaces. We'll also compare running costs, noise, and form factors, tabletop, freestanding, and wall ceiling, so you can choose dependable warmth that fits your space, budget, and style all year round. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Outdoor Propane Patio Heater. If you want dependable outdoor warmth with simple controls and easy mobility, the Amazon Basics Outdoor Propane Patio Heater delivers. You get up to 46,000 British thermal unit of heat, enough to warm an area roughly 18 feet in diameter, so gatherings stay comfortable on cool evenings. A one-touch ignition button gets you started quickly, and an adjustable temperature knob lets you fine-tune the output to match the weather and your seating layout. You'll appreciate the practical design details. The tower form factor directs radiant warmth to where people sit, and the Havana bronze finish blends cleanly with most patio setups. Integrated wheels make repositioning straightforward, so you can roll the heater to dining sets, lounge areas, or cafe corners without heavy lifting. Safety and stability are built in. A tilt safety auto shutoff valve turns the unit off if it's tipped, while the included water box adds weight at the base for better wind resistance. A chain helps secure the propane tank, keeping the setup tidy and reducing movement when you relocate the heater. Setup and everyday use stay low stress. Connect your propane tank, press to ignite, set your preferred heat level, and enjoy steady warmth. If you want powerful output, intuitive controls, and reliable safety features in one portable propane unit, this Amazon Basics heater keeps your patio welcoming long after the sun goes down. At number 4, Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Patio Heater. If you want quick personal warmth without a bulky floor unit, the Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Patio Heater keeps small outdoor spaces cozy and simple. You get up to 11,000 British thermal unit of radiant heat, ideal for warming about 30 square feet, and the reflector top plate helps spread that warmth evenly across your seating area, so everyone at the table feels it. You'll find it easy to bring along and set up. At just 8.5 pounds, this gas-powered heater is genuinely portable. Move it between the balcony, backyard, campsite, or tailgate and place it on a table for instant heat right where you're sitting. The compact tabletop form factor keeps the flame closer and more effective than distant overhead sources. Safety and control are built in. A tip-over shutoff automatically turns the heater off if it's knocked or tilted, and a burner screen guard adds a protective barrier around the flame. With the simple dial, you choose the output, low, high, or anywhere in between, to match the weather and your comfort. Maintenance and storage stay hassle-free thanks to the lightweight design and durable construction. If you want dependable, even heat in a compact, user-friendly package, this Cuisinart tabletop heater makes cool evenings more comfortable, without cluttering your space or complicating your setup. Number 3, we have the Hykolity Patio Heater. If you want powerful, hassle-free heat for cool evenings, the Hykolity Patio Heater makes your outdoor space instantly more inviting. You get up to 50,000 British thermal unit of radiant warmth with one-press ignition, so you're comfortable within minutes. A simple control valve lets you fine-tune the flame as temperatures change, ideal for late autumn dinners, winter gatherings, or early spring mornings on the patio. You're covered for durability and stability. The double-layer 304 stainless steel burner mesh stands up to high heat better than single-layer designs, helping extend service life by up to 30%. Moving and positioning are easy. Integrated wheels let you roll the heater to where guests gather, patio, balcony, campsite, or tailgate, without heavy lifting. Designed to warm up to about 200 square feet, the dish-style reflector directs heat down and out towards seating areas so people feel the warmth, not just the air. Operation stays straightforward from start to finish. Swap in a standard propane tank, press to ignite, set your preferred output, and enjoy steady, comfortable heat with minimal fuss. When the party shifts, the wheeled base and compact footprint make relocation quick. If you want quick ignition, adjustable output, long-lasting components, and stable wheeled mobility in one propane unit, this Hykolity patio heater keeps your outdoor time warm, relaxed, and ready for company. At number 2, East Oak Patio Heater. If you want stronger, steadier outdoor heat with smart usability, the East Oak Patio Heater delivers. You get up to 50,000 British thermal unit of radiant warmth that spreads roughly 20 feet in diameter. Ideal for patios, balconies, and commercial terraces. The double-layer 304 stainless steel burner mesh resists heat fatigue better than single-layer designs, boosting durability and safety for longer service life. You're in control of comfort. An adjustable temperature knob lets you fine-tune the flame for changing conditions, and the round table tank lid gives you a handy perch for snacks, drinks, or your phone. The upgraded conical barrel improves stability versus traditional round bases, and the weight-adjustable water tank, tested up to 26.45 pounds, adds wind resistance when breezes pick up. Moving and storing it is simple. 2 integrated wheels help you reposition the 38.8-pound heater as your seating shifts, and the black finish looks clean in modern outdoor setups. Safety features include tip-over protection that automatically shuts off the unit if it tilts, plus Canadian Standards Association and Electrical Testing Laboratories certifications for peace of mind. Gas-powered and designed for outdoor use, this round-table-style heater brings efficient, targeted warmth with practical extras that make evenings outside more comfortable, without crowding your space. If you value power, stability, and convenience in one patio heater, East Oak makes extending your outdoor season easy. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Hykolity Pyramid Patio Heater. If you want to stretch patio season with real warmth and a striking flame, the Hykolity Pyramid Patio Heater delivers. Standing 90 inches tall, this bronze tower showcases a clear glass tube with a lively vertical flame that radiates heat you can feel, not just warm air. With up to 48,000 British thermal unit, you'll keep friends and family comfortable on cool evenings. You get long, uninterrupted heat too. Hook up a standard 20-pound propane tank and enjoy roughly 8 to 10 hours of runtime. A side door makes tank changes quick, while a built-in control valve and variable heat settings let you dial in the perfect temperature for the moment. Moving it is simple. 2 detachable wheels help you roll the heater wherever the gathering shifts, and the 52.9-pound build adds reassuring stability once it's in place. Safety comes standard. An anti-tilt shutoff automatically turns the unit off if it leans more than 45 degrees, helping prevent accidents. Durability matters outdoors. Radiant heating performs well in open spaces, and the included waterproof cover helps protect the heater in bad weather or during off-season storage to extend its life. If you want dependable heat, easy operation, and a centerpiece flame in one propane unit, this Hykolity Pyramid Heater keeps your patio inviting long after the sun goes down. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which patio heater you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.